Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to prep your nails without e-file or nail drill. This is my cuticle area. This is 3 weeks now. And we're going to use a cuticle pusher, a rose stick pusher, nail file 100 over 180 grit, and also a buffing block. Now let's start. First, you have to push back your cuticle, all the dry skin, to separate the dry skin from your nails. You have to be very gentle because you don't want to hurt yourself. Alright, now, so next is I'm going to be using the rosewood pusher. To remove all the dry skin. You have to be very gentle in removing all the excess skin. Sorry, I have to zoom in. By the way, I'm using my left hand here. I'm right-handed, by the way. So I'm using my less dominant hand. Now let's use the nail file 100 over 180 grit. Now, as you can see here, the other side is the smoother one and the other side is the rough one. So what you will use is the smoother one. We don't want your nails to be thinner and thinner. So you also have to be gentle when you're using the nail file. The reason why we're using the nail file is because we need to remove everything, all the excess dry skin that you have there that can cause the lifting, but not too much, okay. There you go. Now we're going to use the buffing block. The reason why we have to buff your nails is because there are some excess oils on your nails. These oils can cause the lifting also. So you have to remember that you have to buff your nails properly. Not too much, okay? Because um, it can make your nails thinner. It is also very important that you buff the sides of your nails. So make sure that you buff it properly. You have to clean it with an alcohol so you can see if everything has already been buffed. So you can check on everything. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this with alcohol to see if there are some excess skin. No, it's all good. Now you can see that excess skin. Yeah, there. You have to cut it out. Some use scissor, but I use nippers or clippers, whatever term they use. And also, again, you have to be very gentle when using the clippers or the nippers. Again, you don't want to hurt yourself. Just the excess dry skin. There you go. Now we're gonna be I'm gonna be applying some dehydrator. The reason why we have to apply the dehydrator is to remove all the excess oil from the nails. If you don't have dehydrator, you can use alcohol with acetone, but I do suggest you buy a good dehydrator. It can help your polygel or extensions last longer. Now you have to air dry it and then apply the primer. Now the primer, there are kinds of primer that you have to cure under the UV lamp. This one doesn't need to be cured. Just like the dehydrator, you have to air dry it. Now, the base coat. Don't forget the base coat. Now, apply a thin layer of base coat and then cure it under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, so after curing the base coat, there's a sticky layer. So what you have to do is to remove that using an alcohol. And then we're good. So that's how you prep your nails without using an e-file or doing it at home. There you have it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.